Greetings of the day. Today we will continue with the second and final part of lesson number 11, cooking food. We will first of all start with kitchen utensils. Kitchen utensils are the tools which are used while preparing food. Number of utensils that we use in kitchen differs with the time and style of cooking. Like pressure cooker takes less time in cooking in comparison with vegetable cooked in kadahi or wok. People use utensils in olden times also. The choice of utensils has been changing over the years. In ancient times, people used clay pots. Then they learned to make pots with different metals like iron, copper, bronze, brass. These days also we cook our food in different utensils like steel and aluminium. One of the most commonly used utensils for cooking food is pressure cooker. We can make variety of dishes in it. Pressure cooker used method of steaming. In this, the food gets cooked in a very short time. Apart from it, we see many utensils in our kitchen which are used for cooking like wok or kadahi, pan, rolling pin, etc. We serve the food in plates and bowls. Spoons are used in serving as well as eating the food. We also use different types of glasses for drinking milk, juice, etc. Now I will tell you about electronic gadgets. Electronic gadgets are those electronic equipments or machines that are used for a particular purpose. These electronic gadgets are very helpful to us. And why is it so? Such gadgets are used in making the process of cooking easier and other work faster. Some examples of such gadgets are mixer grinders, food processors, microwave oven, induction cooktop, etc. Electricity is used to cook food in microwave oven, hot plates, rice cookers, etc. We use different electrical appliances for making the process of cooking much easier. Similarly, in cooking, we use different types of stoves and fuels, and the heat required for cooking is supplied by the kind of fuel we are going to use. Each stove use different kind of fuel. People living in villages generally use coal, cow dung cakes, and wood as fuel in chulhas and tandoors. Some people also use kerosene oil as a fuel in stoves. Whereas in towns and cities, we can commonly see people using LPG. Children, LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas. We also use sun rays for cooking food. This is done with the help of solar cooker. Solar cooker uses the heat of the sun to cook food. This method of cooking food is cheap, safe, and pollution free, as they do not give out any smoke or harmful gases. With this, I am ending up for today. Thank you all of you for listening. Stay safe and be healthy.